So full time you're at Carmarthen, Aberystwyth 3, Carmarthen 1. I'm here with manager Neville Powell. Nev, the Welsh Cup affair still keep going, and it's another excellent result for you. You must be delighted.
Yeah, thoroughly delighted with the lads. Deserve to be in a semi-final really. When you look at the quality of sides, we beat Bala, Cardiff, Met and Carmarthen tonight, so we deserve our place in the semi-final. The boys do, and good performance today. Long trip down here, and they've shown what they can do. Great, over the moon.
And looking at that game as a whole, it was quite a tense affair, but we showed quality when it really mattered.
Yeah, we going forward, we were excellent again. We're scoring 2 or 3 goals every game, aren't we? And we got to a 3-0 lead, and we give them one, and we thought, we just didn't want it to turn out like it did last week here. But the lads seen it through, and as you say, they put a great performance in. Going forward. I thought we were superb tonight again, and scored some great goals, and everyone put a shift in. I think that was the difference. The defenders defended well, the midfield 3 done well, and John Owen was unplayable again tonight up there, and we stuck Craig Hobson on to kill a game for us last 10, and he done that. So it's a great victory for the club. Nice to be in a Welsh Cup final and a semi-final, and hopefully we can get to the final.
Speaking of that semi-final, Newtown, it's the opposition. It's going to be a tough game wherever it's played.
Yeah, semi-final. We're just pleased to be there, Matt. I say whoever we would have drawn, it's going to be tough a semi-final, but we can look forward to it, and hopefully we can go there and get the club into a major final again where they should be. So we'll enjoy tonight, and then obviously we've got a tough league game in Newtown on Saturday, and we'll look forward to that.
Nev, many congratulations.
Cheers, Matt.